Hi. In this tutorial, I will show you how to work with Archicad and Twinmotion live synchronization. So keep on watching until the end. If you don't have Twinmotion Direct Link plugin in your Archicad, check the link below for tutorial installation and link for website. Now, make sure that your Twinmotion was already opened. Open your Archicad project. In your Archicad, click in Twinmotion plugin, select Direct Link. New project and click OK. Now, go back to Archicad, a Twinmotion plugin dialog box will pop up, select OK. Check your Twinmotion and wait until synchronization done. Open your Archicad project and change window height. Okay, let's see if Archicad and Twinmotion live synchronization is working. Congratulations! You successfully synchronized. You can now change everything in your Archicad project, and apply easy synchronization in Twinmotion. Drop your comment below. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified for new uploads. Thank you.